Hello, everybody. Dashjiro The Carolinian Hamster here. And yeah, because you know what, guys? I want to say yeah, because you know what? I would like want to know because you know that one right here is called the turn signal lights right here. That's what kind I got right there. The turn signal lights are really useful. This thing look kind of good. And there's a turn signal lights on there. And then, you know, the turn signal lights. It's waterproof. I got this. And this is the brake warning right here. The one y'all saw on my YouTube short. Warning. Left and turn key. Brake warning light, good. And I did not know you can put it in your electric scooter. You can put this in your electric scooter, but sometimes I put it on my e-bike, electric car. Did not know you can use that too. And this can light up good, everyone. Yeah. Let me know in the comments down below if you really wanna do that. All right, bye. See you later.